What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your jailbroken device. In today's video, I'm gonna show you an awesome tweak that will redesign your notifications center to a modern and beautiful design. As you see, you can also expand to see a full list of notifications, from which you can open the app, clear individual notifications, or clear all. This tweak comes with 4 reorderable modules like device info, music controls, CC toggles, and of course the notifications. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add this source, Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search here and search for Centaur Tweak. This is the tweak. As you see, this tweak can't be downloaded with Cydia, so you have to install it with Zebra Store. So make sure guys to add Zebra Source and install Zebra Store. Now go ahead and open Zebra Store. Go to the sources here and add Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search and search for Centaur Tweak. This is the tweak. Centaur Tweak, as I said, will redesign your notifications center to a modern and beautiful design, and you can also expand to see a full list of notifications. The tweak comes with only 4 modules, and of course you can arrange them as you want. The tweak is really amazing tweak, but it has limited features and limited toggles, so I hope that the developer will add more toggles to the tweak. Now just go ahead and install it. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open Centaur preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is enable the tweak from here. In modules option here, you can customize the modules in the notifications center, so you can arrange them the way you want. Okay, as you see, I will change the CC toggles and I will put it under the music module. After making any changes guys, hit respring to apply the changes. Okay, I will open the tweak preferences again. I will go to notifications center. As you see, the CC toggles is now under music module. You can make it as you want. Here below you will find more options like top padding, side padding, corner radius, background darkness, and more. Here you can customize the notifications center background color, text, and battery color. Here in notifications preview action, you can change it to open the app or to expand the notifications. In other options here, you can enable any of these options if you want, like tap away to dismiss, hide badges, disable interaction with background, and more. Alright guys, Centaur Tweak is really amazing tweak, and it allows you to redesign your notifications center to a modern and beautiful design. As you can see, it's a really good and simple tweak that I recommend you to give it a try, and it supports iOS 11 and above. You will find the source below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hope to see you in the next videos guys, and peace.